Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on Trade Now. And as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys another trading strategy, and for this trading strategy is a very special one. I'll be using the Fibonacci lines to test out a strategy that I've been using all this while for my own trading. And personally, since a lot of you guys have been asking me for the methods that I used to trade, this will be the main video that I'll be covering. And Fibonacci is one of my favorite trading tools that I used to trade on the 5-minute time frame, and today hopefully I'm able to show you guys, and you guys will be able to learn the method. And no matter whether that you guys use it or not for your own trading, I feel like this is very good to learn, and this will be the only Fibonacci trading strategy that you guys will ever need, and you'll learn everything through this video. So before we start this video, really helps me a lot if you guys will be able to hit that like button, because I'm not earning anything right now. A simple like will help a lot. And yeah, subscribe if you guys enjoy my content, of course. So anyways, first up, I'm going to show you guys what am I talking about. This Fibonacci tool, you can find it on TradingView. So go to TradingView. It's this charting app. Click on the third one right here. You see this Fib retracement, and from this you can draw lines, and you can see these levels right here. So for this, how does this Fibonacci work? You basically plant it from the bottom of a price action to the top of the price action, and you want to wait for a pullback. So usually, let's say we're looking at this movement right here, where we have the movement from here to this small top right here. Zoom in, you can see that we have to move from bottom to the top, and we have a pullback to the 0.618 level. So the main levels that you guys want to take note is the 0.5 and the 0.618 levels, but for this video I'm going to only be covering the 0.618 levels. So as amazing as how price action may work, usually price makes a move upwards and will pull back to one of these key levels at the 618 level or the 0.5 level. So usually I will want to take a long position at the 618 level. So it's pretty simple. How the strategy works is basically you want to look for a break in market structure. And what do I mean by a break market structure? So the first step is to identify a market structure right here, where you can see there is resistance in this area. So I'm going to make it red in color. This is your first step. You have to identify this first step. For taking long positions, you want a break of resistance. So we have a break, and next up you want to draw from the lowest point to the highest point, and you want to enter on the 618 level. Stop loss, you can put it below a recent swing low right here, and you can aim for a 1.5:1. So steps are very simple. First up, you identify a market structure, you identify your resistance levels. So right here it's been broken, so that is step 1 complete. Next up, you want to wait for the price to complete its move. And what do I mean by complete its move? So basically here we want to enter a long position. Recently broke resistance, breaks all the way up, and now you know that you can draw it from the bottom, and this is the top. So bottom to the top, there is one move, and you draw the line, and you just want to set a limit order at the 618 level, and you just have your limit order right there, and you can enter a position. So regards to where your stop loss is, you can put below the support level right here, and you can aim for a 1.5:1. So if you guys are confused, let me show you guys again. So let's find another suitable entry. So let's show you guys a long position. So right here we can see that we have a resistance level at this level here. So that's step 1. We have to identify this resistance level. You can see that we have been testing this resistance, and we have a break finally above. So you're going to identify the recent low, which is right here. You can see that this is the low. You're going to draw it to the top. So you can see step 1 complete. We have the break of the resistance, move to the upside. The move has been complete. We have the bottom and we have the top. We draw the Fibonacci line from the bottom to the top, and you enter at a 618 level, and there we have, we put our stop loss right below the support. So the support will be right here, put it right below, and you aim for 1.5:1. So that is another winning trade. Same thing right here. Sometimes you won't have a pullback completely to the 618 level. So here you can see that here we have a small resistance. Same thing, we have a break of the resistance, and we have the move complete to the top. We want to put our draw Fibonacci lines to the top, from the bottom to the top, and we put our order right here. But as you guys can see, we do not have our limit filled, but that's okay. We just move on to the next trade. That's fine. Again, we have this resistance break to the upside, but again, no pullback, so nothing to do there. Let me show you guys how to take short positions now that we are done with our long positions. So let me recap the long position side. First up, you want to see a break in the resistance. Let me recap right here. We want to see a break in our resistance. So here we have the resistance area. You want to pull back to the, you want to draw the Fibonacci line from here. You want to have a entry at 618 level, stop loss right below the recent swing low, and a 1.5:1. There we have a win. So yeah, step 1, break of resistance. Step 2, draw it from the bottom to the top. Step 3, you want to place the limit order at a 618 level, put your stop loss right below support, and you take a 1.5:1. So 3 steps to this method, and I'm going to show you guys how to take short positions now. So same thing with short positions, how you want to take it. So for you to take it, first up, you want to identify a support here. See that we have this support zone right here. It has been bouncing off this support multiple times, bounce, 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 and we have the break. Now we want to draw from the top to the bottom, since we have a break in the support. So here is the top, and here is the bottom, and you want to enter at the 618 level, and here we have basically a perfect entry. And I can show you guys that I've taken this position also, and personally I've traded it. So let me go to my FedEx account. So in my FedEx account, I'm going to go to my copy trading account. So if you look at the close positions right here, I have this short at the 23072 level, which is right here, 23072, and this happened around the 11 o'clock mark. So as you guys can see on the chart, is on 11 o'clock as well. So as you guys can see, I also use this strategy. And obviously, if you guys want to copy my trades, make sure to check out this FedEx exchange, where you guys can go to copy trading. You can find me over here, you can click on me and you copy my trades, and you guys will be able to have my positions. And when I take my trades, you guys follow my trades and will be able to profit. So back to the strategy, we have the step 1 break, support. Step 2, draw it from the top to the bottom, and we have an entry on the 618 level. So put our stop loss right above, and a 1.5:1. So there we have another perfect trade. Let's look for another short. Let me see. So here we have our support right here, this support level, where you can see that we have a lot of bouncing off. We have the break, strong breakthrough. We're going to draw it from the top to the bottom. So let's draw it from top to the bottom. This step 2 done, and we want to enter the 618 level. Stop loss, you can put it right above the recent swing high, and you aim for 1.5:1. So that is another win. So this strategy is pretty simple, and obviously not all times it will work. There are a lot of times that it will fail as well, but you can use other indicators to help you to strengthen this strategy. So not only using the Fibonacci line. So what do I mean by using other indicators? Firstly, for me, I like to use support and resistance level. So let's look at this. You can see that this is a resistance level previously. So we draw the Fibonacci lines from the top to the bottom. You can see that this coincides together, this resistance line coincides together with the 618 level, pretty much almost the same area. You can enter at that area, and that is super strong resistance, and I was almost 100% guaranteed that this trade was going to be a win. And I took that trade because I was pretty confident. So when you combine support and resistance together with the Fibonacci 618 levels, these are very key signals, and when work together, these are basically the golden trades that have almost a 80 to 90% win rate. And personally, I always take these trades if I see them, but obviously there are times where they fail and they are not 100% winning strategies. But this is one of my favorite things to use together, which is support and resistance together with the 618 level. So this is just a brief video on how I use my Fibonacci lines, how I use my support and resistance. It is not very detailed. I think it's detailed enough for you guys to be able to try and trade it yourself. So anyways, yeah, this is basically a very brief video. If you guys want me to give a more detailed explanation on how this strategy works, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If I can get 50 likes, I will go in depth and teach you guys on the other indicators I use as well, and hopefully you guys will be able to learn and able to become a profitable trader. So thank you guys very much, and see y'all in my other videos.